Hello everyone, today we're going to progress through an example of Android application development. We'll be designing an application where we'll list numbers from 1 to 20. Our first step will be to create our XML file. We'll use a linear layout and place 2 buttons and a list view inside it. One button will be for listing the numbers, and the other for clearing the list. Then, we'll make the necessary declarations to access these elements from our Java file. These will be button show numbers, button clear, and list view numbers. Now, let's determine what will happen when these buttons are clicked. When the first button is clicked, it will trigger the show numbers function, and when the second button is clicked, it will trigger the clear numbers function. The show numbers function will add numbers from 1 to 20 to an array list and link this list to the list view using an ArrayAdapter. We create an array list named numberList to store integers. Using a for loop, we populate numberList with numbers from 1 to 20 using the add method. We create a new ArrayAdapter named ArrayAdapter to link the data in numberList to the list view. The ArrayAdapter constructor takes 3 parameters. Main activity.this, this is the context, typically the current activity. Android.art.layout.simpleListItem1, this is the layout for each item in the list view. We're using a built-in layout provided by Android, which contains a single text view. NumberList, this is the array list containing our data. Finally, we set the ArrayAdapter as the adapter for the list view using the setAdapter method. The clearNumbers function will clear the data in the list view if there is any data connected to it, effectively emptying the list. After completing these steps, we can run our application. Clicking the buttons should produce the expected behavior. And that's it. We've created a simple Android application. Upon running the application, we'll see that the listing and clearing buttons work as expected. Thank you for watching this video, I hope it has been helpful. You can use this example for your own developments. See you next time.